I'm hoping he's giving kisses. You like the kitty?
I still don't fully trust him though. He seems awfully
interested.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're doing another cat test for Saxon. He's had a couple of cat tests. This is like the third one, but wanted it to be a more relaxed situation for him. And he was giving kitty kisses. And he's going back to his toy. What you got there, Saxon? Yeah, let's move this over. God, it was so cold last night. It got down to about 10 degrees.
Kill all these pretty flowers are starting.
I know, my peonies were 12 to 14 inches tall, and they're all bent over frozen now.
Yeah.
They're not going to even bloom this year.
Yep.
Yeah, he's just completely disinterested in Mickey now. I got to go play with that toy. It's more important. What you doing, my little feller? Just love him. He's such a good boy. What you got? You got the stuffy? And I take that over to the house. It'll be gone in 5 minutes. Bentley or somebody will destroy it, and then he won't even get to play with it. You gonna go see Kitty again? Mick! Hey, Mick!
Hey, Mick!
Mickey!
Hey, Mick! What's up, Mick? What's up, Mick?
Man, I don't care about that cat. Big deal. Smell the kitty?
Hey, Mickey? Where are you going? You taking the long road to China?
Aw, licking his ears. You like kitty kitty? He's the type that I think if the cat gets real playful, and Mickey's pretty sedate and everything, but I think if the cat gets real playful, he would interact with the cat and possibly even chase the cat, or if the cat, is tagging or tormenting him a little, he would probably chase. I've not seen him do that, but I just think he's the type of dog that would probably do that and play with the cat. Alrighty, I think it's a true test. He's cat friendly. Mickey's taking a nap now.